Welcome back to this channel. Today we are in the kitchen. I'm Jen and this is my mom. Come cook with us.
Now today we're going to make the curry chicken with potatoes.
Curry chicken with
Yeah.
rice, right?
With rice, yes.
Rice, and I got some naan. Because
Naan or rice, however you like it, you know.
don't worry about that ticking noise. It's just gonna happen.
Yeah, it's
like
going to add in as a music, you know. Okay, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of oil.
one big large onion, a yellow onion. So put an onion in. Oh, sorry. Oh! You're trying to kill me.
Cut. You scare people.
I guess it'll soothe the skin. It's good for the skin.
Like for 1 minute.
Cover it for 1 minute. We have to wait.
Put the lemongrass,
Lemongrass
the curry leaves,
and lemon leaves, and then we put them in. And we have curry powder, curry paste. Oh, make sure it doesn't fall. Smelled it already. And then 5 chicken drums that have been cut like this. Hi-ya! We have 5 chicken drums.
and cut off tomatoes.
These are potatoes. Potatoes. There are 5 potatoes cut and diced. So she's gonna take all that and she's gonna saute it in the pan with the oil. Wow, so all the flavors mixed together, I guess? Is that what it is? Yeah.
And then I put 2.5 cups of water.
Alright, we love water. Each to the vegetarian soy sauce, my mom's fave.
And then after that, we're going to make it go boil for half hour. Then it will be done.
Half an hour?
Wait until it's boiled. Half an hour, it will be all done. And we can eat it and try it. So whoever watch us, and please do, we will see you later once it's cooked.
So we're gonna come back in 30 minutes, half an hour, way too long, just to see how the curry is. It's gonna do its thing on the stove. And while that's happening, we're gonna go and make our rice. You should make yours too. Okay, come back soon. We'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so it's been about maybe, I'm gonna say 10 minutes, maybe 15. Who's checking? How's it looking, Mom? Ooh, look, it's boiling. It's boiling. It looks so good. How do you know when it's done?
The water evaporated a little bit.
When the water evaporates a little bit?
Yeah, and get thicker. Now it's like so watery, you know.
Oh, I see. Oh,
See?
that's watery?
Yeah, when it
I
cook a little bit longer and it will get thicker.
Okay, we're gonna come back and check on it in another 10-15 minutes. And then hopefully the water will be evaporated enough so that we can eat it.
How do I do that? That's so Asian. You can let me eat it.
See you soon. So it's been half an hour finally, and it actually didn't thicken up too much. It's boiling right now, as you can see. It's bubbling like a witch's cauldron. So my mom is using a tablespoon of cornstarch and added a little bit of water to make a slurry. So that it will help thicken up the soup.
Can you help me out to
Sure.
pour a little bit so I stir it?
So she's gonna turn off the stove now because it's ready to go and ready to devour. This is a little more on the spicy side, so I like it spicy. She does too, so does my dad, so we're gonna eat it spicy. If not,
So you
put
put less
curry paste or powder.
curry paste.
So maybe cut the curry paste in half. So we use 2 tablespoons, but perhaps you should use 1 tablespoon. See if you like it. Not like wasabi, but it has a kick to it. to eat it. Smells so good. All right, now let's go eat it. We have curry to eat. So we have rice here and some naan because it's yum. You want a piece of naan, Mom?
Yeah.
Here you go. You're welcome. Oh, this is hot. Oh, this is hot. Alright, let's try this curry. Oh, it's spicy. It's very curry.
Taste my chicken curry. How to eat this curry?
I hope you like it. Enjoy. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.